Hello and welcome to SkillWeb. In this video, I will show you how to change the page color in Google Docs. So let's start the video. At first, open your Google Docs document. Now go to the top menu and click on File. Scroll down a bit, then go to Page Setup. In the pop-up window, you will see Page Color. Click the color box and choose any color you like. After that, click on OK and your page background will instantly change. So there you have it. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at SkillWeb. This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.